I'm Jim Leadome, project manager for Encore Electric on the Wyoming Capitol project. Some unique aspects are just the way they had to channel the walls to fish your electrical up through them. Redoing a bunch of the old historical lighting was really cool because they took all the historical lighting that was here and had a retrofit into LEDs. So they're all modernized and really looking pretty nice. You didn't want to have any J boxes or access holes in the historic building, so trying to find a way to get from point A to point B without having to put any access holes in the area. Just the remodeling aspects is a lot different in an old building than it is with a new one. Some of the safety aspects were way up on top of the chambers where we had to put lights above the stained glass. Just working on the platforms and doing special precautions so we didn't drop any tools or any material into the stained glass. Capitol finished up today as the grand opening, but the Herschler building and the other buildings are scheduled to be done in approximately 3 weeks or toward the end of July.